Okay guys, so I wanted to do my hair, but I didn't want it to take as long as it usually takes me to do my hair. So I was like, why don't I do a crochet style? So shout out to Divatress for sending me this hair, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. But it's going to be perfect for my trip to Houston next week. So it was nice. This only took me 3 hours to install if you don't count actually twisting up my hair. But the method I used to install this crochet hair was the individual crochet method, which means I don't have any cornrows in my hair. I have individual sections, and I've crocheted those sections. So that gives you way more parting space. It's just more versatile with the styling, and for me it's just better because I'm not good at all at cornrowing on myself. So if you're not good at cornrowing, or you don't know how but you want to really get into crochet styles, the individual crochet method is a great one for you guys to try. Okay, so this is the hair that Divatress sent me. It is the Senegal 2X Bantu twist in the color 1. So this is what it looks like on the model, and they actually show you also, which is probably best if you crochet it this way, but you can unravel it and wear it that way as well, which I probably won't do because I think that would be a lot of hair. But it comes with, oh, I dropped the one I was going to show you guys. It comes with 12 individual strands in each pack, and let me show you what it looks like. So this is the twist here, and it comes tightly wound at the end, and they are easy to unravel. I unraveled one just to see, and then it comes with the loop here at the top for you guys to crochet with. Now the twist is very springy, the texture is very natural looking, it's not too shiny, and in my opinion it's not too yucky. Like, I think it blends very well with my own texture of hair, but the twists are nice. I like it that they're jumbo and not super tiny, so they give you this like really amazing kind of Senegal twist look, or Senegalese twist look. Now these are very, very lightweight. Like, at first initially I was concerned that they would be too heavy, because I think I actually have maybe 50 or so of these in my head, but they're actually very, very lightweight. They're bouncy, like they don't feel heavy or like they're pulling on my head in any way. Like, they feel really, really good. So a little bit about this hair. It is Kanekalon hair. It's pre-twisted, it's got the crochet loop, it says it's ready to install, quick and easy crocheting, 2 times the volume, easy to split, soft human texture. It comes in a ton of colors, and of course I will link below the price for you guys. This hair is 24 inches long, so right about here, if I'm doing my editing right, I will insert in a clip for you guys to see exactly how long it is on me. I'm about 5'4", but I really, really like this hair. It feels soft, it's not lightweight in any way, which is great. It was pretty easy for me to blend my hair in it, and I will show you guys how I did that. But basically I just started with a braid and then formed it into a twist. In the back I kind of just did twists because I was a little lazy, but in the front I did braids and then into twists. And then what I did was I went ahead and crocheted, which I'm going to show you guys how I do that. But it's very, very easy to do. It took me about 3 hours, which I said. And yeah, I mean, so far since I've done it, I haven't had my hair slip out or anything like that. I slept on it. This is actually the next day when I did it, but I haven't had my hair slip out or anything like that. You can kind of tell, or you can probably really tell in some places that there's like a braid in there, but I mean, that's only if you're looking really closely. So I really don't have anything bad to say about this hair. I got 7 packs in total. I still have a whole pack left, and then I have about 7 or so twists left from the 6-pack. So I used about 5.5 packs to achieve this amount of fullness. And I did it so it was pretty full. I didn't want to do jumbo parts and only have like, I don't know, only have like a few of these in my hair just because I wanted it to be very full looking and huge. So that's why I did so many sections. And my sections are about medium-ish size. They're not like super huge. Like that's a section. Yeah, so they're a little different, but this was really, really easy for me to achieve. Like I did it Thursday night after work, and it was really, really easy, very seamless. This isn't the second time I've done crochet, and it's been a long time since I've done a crochet style, and I picked it up no problem. So if you've never done crochet, once you get the hang of it, it's very, very easy, and you'll be able to move through it really, really quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and show you guys the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And as always, I will include all the information down in the description box. I wanna thank Divatress for sending me this hair and giving me my Houston Soleil. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your section and you're going to put the crochet hook with the latch open through the base of your section. Where the loop is on that crochet twist, you're going to connect it to the hook and then close the latch. Here you see me having a little trouble closing the latch. Don't worry, I'll figure it out. Once you've got the latch closed, you're going to slide it through your section. Once you've slid it through enough, you can release the hook from the section, and then what you're going to do is with your hands you're going to widen up that loop so you have enough space to pull through your section and the crochet twist itself. Once you've pulled both of them through, you're going to grab your section and then pull the twist tightly to secure it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to begin feeding in your twist into each looped section of the crochet twist. So here you can see me opening up the sections of the twist and feeding through my section of hair in between. Now, some people think this might slip out a lot, and it might slip out a few times, but it's very, very easy just to kind of tuck it in there and secure it. And this is essentially how you do the crochet twist. And once you get to the end, you just want to tuck it in, and then you're done. And I'm going to show you guys how I do this one more time on my last section in case you didn't get it yet. Okay, so one more time for you guys. You're going to take your crochet hook with the latch open and slide it under the base of your section. Connect the pre-looped part of your crochet twist to the latch, and then close it to the hook, and then close the latch. And then you're going to slide it through. Once you've slid it through enough, you can release the hook, and then you're going to open up that loop with enough space that you can fit through the crochet twist and your own section. You're going to pull both of those through, all the way through, and then in one hand grab your section and then tighten the crochet twist with the other. Then you're going to begin opening up each of those twists from the top and feeding in your own section through each loop. This is how you're going to hide your section of hair. Now, it doesn't look completely hidden when you look at it close up front, but for the most part, it blends pretty well, especially if you use a twist throughout the rest of your section and start with a braid just to ensure that the sections are tight. And you're just going to do that all the way through each loop of the crochet twist until your hair is completely hidden. And if you notice you have little sections of your own hair that is slipped out of the twist, just pop them back in and just make sure they're secure so your style looks poppin'. Hey, I am obsessed with this. Hello. Who am I? I don't know, but I'm gonna find out.